Alright, so we're back again, and so this video is going to show you if you have installed Solidworks and somehow you've accidentally defaulted the settings to inches and you want to change them around to millimeters, which is the way we roll. Obviously you can change it in the bottom right hand corner there every single time you create a new part, which can be very annoying. Or we can actually just go into our templates and change our templates straight up. So how we do that? So here's my new floating toolbar. I'm going to click on open and I'm going to open a new part. Okay, so click OK. So as you'll notice in the bottom right hand corner it says IPS for inches. As I said, you can click and change that to millimeters, but you're doing that every single time. So to change the template, what we're going to do is up the top go to tools, and we're going to scroll all the way down, so you probably got this little up and down thingy here, till you go to options. When you go to options, you're going to go to document properties. We want ISO. Alright, I'm going to suggest that if you're not sure what ISO means, actually Google it, okay, because we have ANSI, which is an American standard, and we've got ISO, which is an international standard for all the graphic drawings. So anyway, there you go. So you can Google ANSI, A-N-S-I, or ISO, and see what the difference is. But anyway, so we want ISO. Now we're going to select units, and here we're going to select millimeters. Okay, we're going to leave it at 2 decimal points. No issues there. We're going to click OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to File and Save As. We're going to select here where it says SolidWorks part. I want you to actually select that. Now we're not going anywhere just yet, but when you select that, you're going to scroll down here until you find Part Templates .prt dot. Okay, so we're going to select Part Templates dot. It is actually going to bounce and find the file, the SolidWorks templates file, and what you're going to do is this part.prt that is your inches template. So we're going to click on that to highlight it. It's going to change the file name to exactly that, and then we're going to select get out the way me, not select get out the way me, but we're going to select save, and we're going to replace it. So click yes. Now if I close off that part document and go and reopen part and click OK, you'll notice straight away in the bottom here it is millimeters. That's it. So same process again for assemblies and drawings. So let's go new, let's choose assembly, click OK. It's going to want to pop up all of this. You know, it's looking for a folder already because you're going to create an assembly. So let's just close all of that off. We're going to go to tools, we're going to go down to options. Again, document properties and units, and we're going to choose millimeters and click OK. Alright, so we've converted that assembly now to millimeters. We're going to go File, Save As. Again, we're going to click Save As Type. We're going to click on SolidWorks, and we're going to scroll through here until we find the assembly template, which is right there. So we're going to click on that. It will now pop up all the default templates that are there for an assembly. So we're going to just click on that so that the new file name overrides the existing one, and click save, and yes, we want to replace it, so we're going to click yes. And now we can close off the assembly, and if we reopen a new assembly, obviously we don't want to know about this stuff here, but you'll notice straight away in the bottom corner it is millimeters. And the last one, exactly the same with drawings. So let's open up a new drawing and let's click OK. Now we're going to just close off model view because we don't need that right now, but we're going to go again to tools, options, document properties, and we want ISO. We're going to click units, and again here where it says IPS, we're going to click MGS and click OK. And we're just going to close, oops, my bad, don't close it, we've got to file save as, my bad. Tools, options, documents, units, MMGS. Okay, file, save as. Click on save as type, and we're going to find the drawing templates. Alright, DRW dot. Click on that, and here is the template which is in inches. So we're going to click on that. It overrides the file name to what the template's name is. We're going to click save and yes to replace it. And now when I close that off and open a new drawing, you'll see in the bottom right hand corner it is millimeters. So if you've installed SolidWorks at home and it's defaulting to inches, that is how you convert it to millimeters. And now all of your files will be in millimeters. Obviously it depends on what you're doing, and if you're following any tutorials in inches, you know, you can work through those. I hope that helps.